Identical in height and reach. Just one more win that goes to Żarmamatov. Coach gets us started. BILAROV in the blue, Żarmamatov in the camo grey. Nice high kick from BILAROV on the guard of Żarmamatov. Switched out nicely. Yeah, got it up quick, didn't he, Ollie?
Real contrast in the stances and styles here, you can see. Just a nice kick offense early on from BILAROV. Żarmamatov is more sort of a little bit more static. Just moving that lead hand around the southpaw stance.
Yeah, he's circling his right hand out there, isn't he? But he's not putting BILAROV at all. He's got a nice leg kick as well to BILAROV. It was a decent left from Żarmamatov that came through the guard of MURAD. But really wasn't going anywhere, didn't have enough beans behind it.
BILAROV not throwing too much initially, a few kicks. I imagine he's trying to close the distance at some point and possibly work some of them takedowns. He's known to have a very talented game.
Yeah, he's fantastic on the mat. He was teasing that leg kick so many times and finally got it. That was a nice one. Right on the inside lead leg from Żarmamatov. BILAROV's just circling around now. Circling around to the right, going back to the left again. Just looking for those openings. Not much offense coming from Żarmamatov. And as I say that, it comes out with a nice lead. Left cross.
Переходи на О. Жаңы топтомунда гана Яндекс Плюс катталуусу 90 күнгө акысыз. Музыка жана подкасттарды угуу менен ырахаттан. Фильмдерди жана сериалдарды көр. Таксиге арзандатып ал. Аудио китептерди окуу жана ук. Тезирээк кошул. Яндекс Плюс катталуусун 90 күнгө белекке ал. Переходи на О. Сага керектүүнүн баары алдыңкы оператордун бир эле тарифинде.
Southpaw stance. He walks forward without many feints. It's quite dangerous against the southpaw. That big left hand can come down the middle. Not overly busy with his hands in round one.
Left and around that's a lot of miss. Top of fires with a missing punch of his own. Relatively cagey at the moment. Nothing particularly landing. They're just figuring out each other. Feeding out process at the moment, but BILAROV having to control the space more than Żarmamatov. This left just off the guard of BILAROV.
Seems to be a mutual respect in round one. Both guys a bit cagey, not sure what the other guy's going to do, what he's capable of. I imagine that'll start opening up to be approached to the second half of round one.
Big one, BILAROV just missed. Relatively equal on the feet. Certainly BILAROV had both. The kick and attack, the pitching up and the separate. There was a nice front kick to the body from BILAROV earlier. Now he's going up high. He's mixing up his kicking attacks. He's going leg to mid to head. Keeping Żarmamatov just guessing a little bit. For that right hook is Żarmamatov. Good movement from BILAROV to get out of his way. Significant at the moment. Again, it's still Żarmamatov done on the outside. It was a nice one. Caught him with a little right there.
Yeah, both guys are coming up just short on a lot of their shots at the moment. I think we're going to see that distance close a little bit more as we go into round two.
Less than a minute left now in this first round. It's a tough one to score, but in terms of octagon control, it's gone with BILAROV, and I think scoring on damage, his kicks has probably been more significant than Żarmamatov. He's been relatively equal with the fists. Tough one to score regardless. Jumping attack from Bilarov that laid it vulnerable for that big right from Zharmamatov. He ate it and got straight back up.
First takedown attempt from Bilarov there. Maybe trying to seal the round, secure it, make sure there's no doubt. Nice kick.
He's performing well. Murad coming back with a couple of shots of his own. Targeting that right lead leg of Zharmamatov quite nicely.
Wasn't successful, but it all counts, and I'd make him cut as much as possible. We see a bit more risk taking from these two, a little bit more closing the distance, and then we're going to see this fight really come to life.
Again, Zharmamatov looking to go home with that big right hook. Perhaps starts to think about chaining up the combos a little bit more. Those can't keep taking those leg kicks like he did in the first round for Bilarov. Start to tee off a little bit in the second. Just pouring out that right hand as Zharmamatov, see if he can just disrupt his opponent's moving space. See that big welt off the right flank with Bilarov. The body kicks.
Nice takedown off the knee. Into a scramble, post off the head very well.
Back, it's turning in nicely. Bilarov now, he's got the single.
Great exchange from these two. Wow.
Oh, beautiful scramble.
That was high level stuff there.
Pushing off the head is Bilarov,
Wow.
they separate.
Top class, top class.
And the crowd really appreciates that. You can hear the applause throughout the Etihad. Beautiful.
Both guys cancelled each other out and changed and moved. It was top quality.
It was nice timing from Zharmamatov, wasn't it? With Bilarov coming in with the knee. Timed it nicely to get the takedown, but whoa, slippery customers when it comes to the canvas. Again, targeting that right lead leg is Bilarov.
Yeah, because Bilarov's able to stalk his opponent and choose when he goes in, so the kicks are starting to work really well because Zharmamatov is kind of a bit stagnant and moving away, which leaves him vulnerable to take the kicks on the legs because he's not initiating very often. And that won't score very well either because he doesn't look as keen to engage.
Continuing to circle around the right. Zharmamatov just punctuated with a jab. It's not really going much anywhere. Oh, another nasty body kick. Both levels swinging. Good kick from Zharmamatov though. Seems to be targeting that left flank of Bilarov. Both fighters are scoring quite nicely. Bilarov going for that right lead leg, and in reply, Zharmamatov going for the right flank of Bilarov. See the welts moving through quite nastily, just on the rib cage. Nice fatigue kick from Bilarov. A bit of space, and goes back head. Again, now that buckles Zharmamatov. Starting to add up. Those leg kicks can be very highly attritional. You can't take too many of those. You've still got halfway through the fight. It's starting to build up. You can't see the welts there, but again, Bilarov starting to go mercilessly for that lead leg of Zharmamatov.
Yeah, and he started standing southpaw himself, that back leg coming into the front leg, and really doing some damage.
Busy. See if he can get the head work moving just a bit. Circling round to the right. Left, right, roundhouse. Just off the guard. Nice leg kick and a good left in reply from Zharmamatov. Dancing around anti-clockwise pretty much the entire round, guys, without a doubt. That right hook again for Bilarov. Coming in nice. That was a good left right combo from Murad.
That might be grounded, I don't know. Grounded here. Oh, I think it's okay. I think it might be okay.
Yeah, between the first and second round. He was slouched on the floor, getting the down the ice to recover.
Oh, point down, point down.
Point deduction from Murad Bilarov.
Well, that's how close he was. Even Bilarov himself is not complaining.
Yes,
he doesn't know where it was.
Really going straight back to work now is Bilarov.
But an important point off as well. An important point in the grand scheme of things, because the fight is reasonably close.
Yeah, certainly I'll give it to Bilarov in the first round. Big left misses from Zharmamatov. But that could probably give Zharmamatov the second, making it all equal going into the third if it doesn't end anytime soon within 20 seconds of the second round.
I still feel like Bilarov was winning this round, so I feel like that may have just brought it level.
Yeah.
Oh, he's laid on, he's laid on.
He's trying to finish. Zharmamatov picks him up though, he's trying to dump, he's got the single.
Oh, it's so hard to control this guy.
Well balanced.
Work to do for Zharmamatov. There's no way he's ahead in this. He hasn't sort of gone forward and implemented his own strategy in round 3. He really needs to push forward.
Yeah, he's shown that he can explode. He's just so wary of Bilarov's power. And Bilarov has just been hunting down. Oh, nice left high round from Bilarov. Clinching up. That was a big left for Bilarov to follow up. He's working it hard. Hammer fist coming down from Bilarov now.
Heavy pressure from Bilarov.
Watch the right elbow coming across from the Makachkala lad. Now he's fully mounted. Giving up his back.
It's good.
Just going to go to work from here. It's an easy pick. He's got it clinched on.
Across the face, but that should be enough, I think. Yeah, it's gone under now.
He's just readjusting. Look the tap to me. Yeah, it's tapping again. Great. He goes to tap as soon as he readjusted the choke.
Referee Mark Goddard stops his bout at 1 minute 13 seconds of round number 3. For your winner by tap out due to a rear naked choke, Murad Bilarov.